The WooCommerce Attribute Swatches plugin from Iconic WP allows you to create different previews of the attributes on the product page. However, when you have hundreds of attributes, you can spend many tedious hours editing them individually. To help you with this task, in this video we'll show you how to bulk edit all global swatches quickly. This is really useful because it allows you to edit the fields of all your global attributes without having to go through the boring and time-consuming process we just mentioned. For this, we'll use the Taxonomy Terms Spreadsheet plugin. This WordPress plugin allows you to edit hundreds of global attributes in an intuitive spreadsheet. In addition, the plugin will create a spreadsheet for each of the global attributes where you can edit the terms in bulk. We'll also need to install the extension WP Sheet Editor Iconic WP Attribute Swatches, with which you can integrate WP Sheet Editor and Iconic Attribute Swatches to be able to edit all the swatches fields without any problem in the spreadsheet. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once we have installed and opened the plugin, we can edit values in all the cells individually. You can make hundreds of changes by editing different cells. Once you're done, just save to apply the changes. If you do not want to edit all attributes, you can quickly select the ones you want to edit. To do this, simply place the mouse cursor over the search tool and enter a keyword here. And press enter on your keyboard to search for all attributes containing that keyword. You can also check the boxes of the attributes you want to edit. After you've selected the attributes you'll edit, you can use the bulk edit tool to edit any field. For example, let's edit the swatch type. To do this, select the rows to update, in this case will be all from my current search. Then, select the field swatch type. Choose to set the value. And select the swatch type using the drop-down menu. Finally, execute. To bulk edit the swatch size for all the selected attributes, let's open the bulk edit tool. Now select the rows you want to edit. Look for the size field to be edited. In this case, we'll edit both the width and height at the same time. We'll set the value. Enter the number of pixels you want to set for the width and height of your swatches. And execute. If you want to bulk edit the swatch shape for all the selected attributes, you'll need to first open the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select the rows you want to edit. Select the field swatch shape. We'll use the set value option. Now select the swatch shape using the drop-down. Finally, execute. Now let's learn to bulk enable the swatch tooltips for all the selected attributes. To do this, open the bulk edit tool. Now select the rows to be edited. Look for the enable tooltips field. Choose to set the value. Now tick this checkbox to enable, or untick to disable. Then execute. As you have seen in this video, instead of opening and editing your global attributes one by one, and wasting a lot of time, you can quickly edit them in cells, or all at once using the bulk edit option thanks to the WP Sheet Editor plugin. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.